Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Bustamante Highway, the Bustamante Highway, and this road it's in Clarendon. It takes you from Maypen to Old Harbour. Now this road unfortunately has the reputation of being the most dangerous road in Jamaica. They have more fatal car accidents on this road than any other road in Jamaica. Every year a list comes out with the roads with the most fatalities, and unfortunately this road is number one, which is ironic because it's named after one of our national heroes, Sir Alexander Bustamante. But it's the way the people use the road. I won't try to speculate as to why, but this road has the reputation. So it's the most dangerous road in Jamaica. I don't know. So as we said, it takes you from Maypen to Old Harbour. Now, if there are alternate routes, you don't really have to take this road if you don't want to, but you can use a highway. But with the highway, you have to pay a toll. So a lot of persons still use this road. Now, you can see when the road was designed, it was planned out to be a 4-lane road because you have the shoulders on either side, which will eventually one day be converted into lanes. So you would have 4 lanes, 2 in each direction. But there is no project on the way to expand the road at this time. But you can see from the way the road is laid out that it was originally designed to be 4 lanes. Okay, so this is where the road merges with I think it's Sandy Park is the name of that area. We're not going to turn there. Sandy Bay. So we're going to turn back around and go on the highway. So if you were going to Old Harbor, you would turn left there and go into Sandy Bay and then Old Harbor. But we're going to turn back around. We're just going to see where this road leads. You can tell from the way the bush is growing out into the road that this is probably a dead end. We're going to go down and see where it leads. You don't usually see the bushes out into a road that's being used. Okay, the road is blocked right here, closed. Okay, so that's the end of the road. We're just curious. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.